Potatoes are the most popular remedy for sunburn. This is because they contain starch. So I'm gonna make a face mask out of the potato. You can apply this immediately after coming home from the sun. Peel the potato skin. Wash it thoroughly in water. Chop it into pieces. Put them in a mixer. Squeeze half a lemon into it. Grind it. Take a clean bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of potato paste. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix well. Apply this onto your face and let it rest for 10 minutes. Potato reduces sunburn, giving an immediate relief. Potatoes contain hyaluronic acid, so it literally moisturizes your skin. Honey heals the sun-damaged area. Lemon juice is acidic, so it removes sunburn. You can also keep this face mask in refrigerator and use it. Wash your face with plain water after 10 minutes. You could see your skin immediately relieved from sunburn and brightened. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me Deepti signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.